Hi, I'm Eric with Mathews, and in this video we're going to take a look at our redesigned walkway platform on our tower dryers. What we've done is we've taken our old bracket that we used to use that was shipped separately and had to be installed in the field, and we've gone ahead and updated these parts so that they can be shipped on the machine like this, and these parts can all unfold into a walkway bracket. That completes the installation for one walkway bracket. There are 9 brackets in total. 7 of them have the same process as this one, using all the same tools and techniques. The 2 right next to the ladder have a very slightly different process, but it's very similar.